Hi guys, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Mike Wazowski costume from Monsters Inc. These are all the materials you're going to need. And I'm so sorry for the messy background and the fact that I'm in my pajamas when I filmed this. I had 103 fever, so I didn't put too much time into this video. Now you're just going to start by laying down a black piece of fabric and you're going to cut out a U shape. Next I have some white fabric. I bought this fabric from the Dollar Tree, so it's not that expensive. And you're just going to open it and you're going to lay it on top of the shirt as well. And you're going to cut out some teeth for Mike Wazowski. If you're wondering where I got my t-shirt, I got it at Hobby Lobby for $5. And I got it in the size extra extra large because I wanted it to look like a dress. Now that you have your teeth cut out, you're going to pull that away and you're just going to take your hot glue gun and hot glue the happy face onto Mike Wazowski, right onto the t-shirt. Now, you could use fabric glue, but I did not own any fabric glue and was too lazy to buy some, and hot glue was already something I had and it worked great. I also put something inside the t-shirt so I wouldn't glue two layers together. I just didn't show it in the video. Now you're going to do the exact same thing with the teeth. Just add a layer of hot glue and now just place it onto the shirt and make sure that no black around is showing it. Oh, that made no sense. Make sure no black around the teeth are showing. It just makes the happy face look a little more neat. I didn't cut mine perfectly, so I had to overlap it a little bit, but that's okay. Next, I just got this giant pack of googly eyes on Amazon for $7. You could buy it at Hobby Lobby for only $5, but I just decided to get mine on Amazon so I didn't have to go to Hobby Lobby again. We are only going to be using one of these, so you could use the other one for a different craft. Going to peel off the back. I got it's like a giant sticker, so you just peel off the back, and I did add hot glue on it, the sticky part anyway, just to make sure it was extra secure so that it would not come undone when I wore it. Because as you can see, I just poked it and it wasn't very sticky, so I'm just going to add some hot glue on the back of that as well and put it on just above the mouth. Now just place the eye on the t-shirt, push down firmly, and your costume will be done. This is great for Halloween. You will have the best costume at the party, and it's super original. Actually looked on Amazon, and the exact same costume that we're making was $65 on Amazon. So this is really a deal because I made this costume for only $10. That's really cool, and now I'm going to show you me wearing it. And here it is, the one and only Mike Wazowski. It fits great and it looks just like a t-shirt dress. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you watch another video in the future. And again, I had 103 fever when I filmed this, so it's not the best quality and I didn't put a lot of time into this video, but I think I did pretty good. So thank you for watching. Bye guys, and don't forget to subscribe.